Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit your meta title and descriptions regardless of the plugin. You just need to go to Orbisius SEO editor at the top, or by going to Tools and then Orbisius SEO editor. You can choose the post types, could be post, pages, or products. You can pick their status. You can pick how many results per page to show up. You can also specify specific IDs or some text that can be used for search, and you can pick an SEO plugin that was used, and it can read the meta information even if the plugin is not active. You can edit the title and the description. Actually, we can also view the page on the public side or edit it if we want to. We're done, we can click Save Changes. And if you notice, some of the results or items were skipped because we didn't modify them. That makes the plugin more efficient, and we've done other optimizations to make it as fast as possible. To learn more about this plugin, go to orbisius.com/go/SEO-editor.